So yes, we launched this year in the UK in February of this year in the UK with our first staff members, bringing the Adapt TV platform for both publishers and for buyers to that market. We've had some great success since then. It's been 7 months now since we launched. We've seen a growth of about 300%, so about 3 times the market rate, which is fantastic. And the video advertising market, the video market in general in the UK and Europe is exploding. So it's great to be timed well and to be a part of that. We've just hired Brian Fitzpatrick, who was most recently the Managing Director of Europe for the MIG, based in London. He's joined our team as of last week, and we're very excited to have him on board. He's a 10-year digital veteran across Europe, having worked in Germany and in London. And he's is leading our efforts of continued expansion and continued growth in the UK market specifically, as well as across Europe. We feel now is the right time to bring on a senior leader such as Brian to take that expansion of some of the growth we've already seen, obviously, and take that and move it across Europe. His remit will be to get that platform into the agencies, into the trading desk, and have them using that platform to buy media and to transact with all of their partners, and again, bring that efficiency to the market that we see happening here in the US as well. He also has responsibility on the publisher side. So unlike the US, the UK is a much smaller market. There are fewer publishers. They tend to be larger and concentrated towards the top, but all have the exact same needs of being able to serve ads out to their content, whether that's on mobile, tablet, or on the web, and also to be able to make that inventory available for sale to multiple parties. So Brian's responsibility really is to manage the whole of that business, obviously in the UK, but also extending out into Europe, where we start talking about different languages, different cultures, currencies, etc. And we have a great product that he'll be able to take out there. Where the European market is going, from a consumption standpoint from consumers, as well as from a spend standpoint on advertising. The consumption patterns are increasing dramatically. We'll probably see a sort of a threefold increase in terms of consumption today, of hours spent today, with more content coming online. If we take the UK specifically, for example, the major broadcasters make a lot of their content available online on their own sites and control that themselves and don't necessarily distribute it out. So consumers are coming in and viewing that content the night after it shows, for example, or the day after it showed on prime time. So again, they need the tools to be able to manage that around the rules of viewing that. We also see the advertisers spending more and more money. Spend next year will likely double from this year, which is on the order of about $150 million this year in the UK. Spend maybe 200, depending on how Q4 goes. We expect that to double in the UK alone next year, given the amount of people who are more and more watching online, and that includes on the tablets and on the mobile phones, the same trends that we see here in the US. By extension, that is true in most of the countries in Europe as well. France, Germany, Spain, Italy all see very similar trends in sort of increasing consumption and increasing spend from both the publisher and the buyer side.